Hello everybody, happy Monday. I wanted to make this little announcement via a video because it's easier for me to explain. So first of all, if you have not submitted your week 6 essay about classism between Mama and Atticus, you still have time to get that in. I gave zeros already for those, but if you submit it, remember there's a minus 10 point deduction for every day of slate. So if you see the 0, don't think that you cannot still hand it in. That's what I wanted to say. So you guys are in week 7. You only have one more week to go. So week 7 is pretty busy for you. So, and I know some people have already started it because you've emailed me some certain questions. But make sure that you start by looking at the argumentative research essay prompt and then go to the annotated bibliography, because the annotated bibliography is based on the research prompt. And I think with the state of how our country is right now, I think this prompt is very current. And I think it will really hit home to you, because I don't know about you, but the country's kind of worries me right now. So, but I think talking about class and race is very, very pertinent to today, what's going on in our society, unfortunately. And and I'm not trying to preach my my political views. Everybody's entitled to their own. Okay, and then you have these quizzes to do. Oh, the one thing I wanted to make sure, your annotated bibliography, when you look that over, make sure that the resources you use are full text and that you have them in your hand, because you will be showing me where you quoted. If you quoted page 8 from journal, architectural journal, or a race magazine, you have to show me that race magazine, the year it was published, and then you have to take me to the page and show me that. So make sure you're going full text. That will make sense to you more when you go over the databases. Okay, and down here, if you want to work in a group, I'm perfectly fine with that. So if you want to find somebody, or you know somebody, you don't need to go through here. But make sure if you're going to work in a group, you can work with one by yourself, 2, 3, or 4 people. Make sure everybody you trust, because if one person has AI, everyone's getting a 0. So if you don't trust those people, don't work with them. That's on you, okay? And again, I think I have if there's an overview video, start with that. But I'm telling you, start with the prompt for the research essay, then go to the annotated bibliography. And if you have any questions, please let me know. I also have students who have been sending me their thesis statements for their essays. I love that. I love to give feedback. So I teach all online, and I kind of miss teaching face-to-face because I had fun with the students. But if you have any questions, just let me know. All right. Take care, everybody.